Hello friends, welcome to my channel Techwithdeepak. Today we will review about a Triumph Street Triple bike. The price of Triumph Street Triple in starts at Rs 9,15,000 and goes up to Rs 11,70,000. Triumph Street Triple comes with 4 variants which include Street Triple R, Street Triple R 2023. The top variant is Street Triple RS 2023 which comes at a price tag of Rs 11,70,000. Triumph Street Triple latest update. Triumph has shown off its updated Street Triple range, which makes more power and gets fancier electronics, along with a special Moto 2 edition now. More details on the 3 trims in this story. While the silhouette of the Street Triple remains more or less intact, subtle styling tweaks make the motorcycle look a bit more fierce. The revised headlight cowl, fascia-integrated air intake, edgier radiator shrouds, new belly pan and a sharper tail evoke this striking feeling. The Moto 2 edition also gets special carbon fiber bits as well as Moto 2 branding. Triumph has put its Moto 2 learnings to good use, providing a whole host of updates to its 765 cubic centimeters triple motor. On the Moto 2 edition and RS, the engine is tuned to pump out 130 PS and 80 Nm, while the R now makes 120 PS and 80 Nm. That's a sizable gain in performance. To put down this kind of performance in a neat manner, the Street Triple gets IMU-aided electronic aids like lean-sensitive traction control and cornering ABS. Each riding mode has been optimized with improved throttle maps. Another notable update on the RS, also seen on the Moto 2, is the presence of Brembo Stylema front brake calipers. Sadly, the R still has to make do with older spec Brembo M4.32 monoblocks. Triumph is expected to launch the updated Street Triples by May 2023. We figure there will be a price hike of around 50,000 rupees to 75,000 rupees for the updates. Despite the price hike, the Triumphs will continue to provide phenomenal value for money over its competition like the Kawasaki Z900, Ducati Monster, and BMW F900R. It has available in 4 variants. Street Triple R, Street Triple R 2023, Street Triple RS, Street Triple RS 2023. Design and features. The bug-eye headlights have been a signature piece of design of Triumph's triple-cylinder nakeds, Street Triple as well as Speed Triple. The look had begun to show its age, with the headlights now beginning to divide opinions. For 2020, Triumph has redesigned the fascia of the bike. You still get a twin headlight setup, but now there are LED DRL bars on the LED headlamps. This lends it a Bumblebee-esque look, a refreshment from the old bug-eyes. It also features redesigned side panels, seat cowl, belly pan, and flyscreen, which make the bike look round and wholesome. Triumph Street Triple colors: matte carbon black, sapphire black, crystal white, silver ice AFA, carnival red, cosmic yellow. Braking and handling. The Street Triple is one of the most enjoyable naked motorcycles to ride. The handling is precise with sharp and agile steering. The credit should go to the trusty aluminium twin spar frame, which remains untouched on the 2020 model. The R and RS models though use different components. The lower spec R trim gets fully adjustable Showa suspension units at both ends. The front USD is a 41mm separate function big piston fork, while the rear gullwing aluminium swing arm employs a monoshock unit with a piggyback reservoir. Braking hardware is provided by Brembo with twin 320mm rotors anchored by the M4.32 radial 4-piston calipers. On the rear wheel, a single-piston Brembo sliding caliper operates on a 220mm disc. The 17-inch alloy rims come shod with grippy Pirelli Diablo Rosso 3 rubber. While the front USD remains the same, on the RS model, the rear monoshock used is a higher-spec Öhlins STX40 unit. Even the front brake calipers are more advanced, Brembo M50 monoblocks with Brembo span and ratio adjustable brake lever. The latest generation of Pirelli Diablo Supercorsa SP rubber debuted on this bike. Engine and performance. The Street Triple R and RS models are powered by the same 765 cubic centimeters inline 3-cylinder motor as before but with revised internals. Triumph has been using this engine in Moto2, World Championship motorcycle racing, with the learnings from motorsport now making their way onto the Euro 5-BS6 compliant engine. If you opt for the R variant, max power is rated at 118 PS and you get peak torque of 77 Nm. The racier RS engine makes 123 PS and 79 Nm. Both engines get 6-speed transmission with slip and assist clutch as well as bidirectional quickshifter. Triumph has also tweaked the gear ratios on both of these trims, with shorter first and second gear ratio. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.